Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be the real, the true, it's not a mistake this time, Boxy Luxe for this month of March 2023. So if you guys are interested in what I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, I'm so pissed off. I'm so mad and upset with Boxy Charm. Like, I know there's a transition going on, but you know what? You gotta let people know what they're getting, because it said in my tracking, in my email, Luxe box, right? It didn't say not March bot Luxe, you know, so I'm thinking, okay, it's the Luxe for this month. My box comes, there's no card. What am I supposed to think? It's a Luxe box, it's March. Of course I'm gonna assume it's this month's box. So Boxy Charm, shame on you for that big poo-poo and making me, your girl, looking like a fool on the internet, okay? On the YouTube. Come on. I was so frustrated, you guys. But anyway, enough rambling on. We're just gonna get into this month's box because woo, your girl better find some good stuff up in here. So I'm gonna open this up and I hope the card is in there. I believe Yari G, I think she had her card in her box, but I don't know. We're gonna see. So just give me a second. This way. Oh, you guys, I'm so mad. So mad. Or I just don't mess up my nail. All right, here we go. This month is bittersweet because this is going to be the last Luxe box for Boxy Charm. You know, separate from Ipsy and all this stuff. So, I don't know. We'll see. Oh! Hallelujah! Praise the Lord! I'm so happy to see this, you guys. I'm so happy to see this little cheap piece of paper. I am so freaking happy. All right. I got variation C2303403-LX. I think that's that variation, right? So this is the Spring Luxe, which is weird because they told me my last box in via email was my Spring Luxe. So I don't know. I'm so confused, but whatever. Let's just get into this. So this month's theme is obviously spring. Boxy Charm. I love this little thing. I hope that when they switch over to Ipsy, they keep this. Please keep that. But anyway, I'm just going to start grabbing items. Okay. So the first item that I pulled out, in no particular order, by the way, is Verb. This is a jojoba and moringa. I'm probably butchering it. Moringa treatment oil. It's supposed to be hydrating, a multi-use serum formulated to reduce breakage, fight dry scalp, and repair damaged hair. Silicone-free, fragrance-free, 100% natural. This is pure blend and is proven to reduce breakage by 73% and men's split ends by 64%. While sealing in the essential moisture. This was one of my choice items. This retails for $20. So yeah, okay. First item there. Glad to see that. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even see this in here. So I guess that they're just throwing in a reminder that, hey, we are transitioning over, and they're giving you all the little details. Again, if you have not seen it on Instagram or anything like that, or on the website, just more of a reminder to say, hey, we're switching out. I just see this, so I'm just gonna grab it. This is a iconic London multi-use lip and cheek palette. Ugh. Ugh. If you guys know, you know. Lip and cheek tells me it's gonna be a cream. So, okay. Create a fresh-faced, pretty flush, and pop of pout enhancing color featuring 6 multi-use dewy cream shades. This easy-to-use palette provides an instant pick-me-up on the complexion. Retails for $55. This is definitely going to be going into my giveaway stash, so keep your eyes out for that. Let me just put it in my giveaway drawer. Okay, the next item is, I don't know because I just got to grab stuff. Is a KVD product. Okay, this here is an ultra smooth transfer resistant gel pencil eyeliner that has the iconic waterproof all day wear of the best-selling tattoo liner. This pencil liner sits fast and locks in place on your lids and in your waterline. Highly pigmented, versatile, easy to use, so you can line it, smudge it, or go graphic. This retails for $22. I'm not an eyeliner pencil girl, so giveaway this shall go. Okay, Ooh, this is pretty. The next item I have is, I don't even know. I don't even know what this is, you guys. I'm trying to see what this is. I'm looking for a brand. Salute to the Sun. Oma. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Whatever it is, beauty. Sorry. Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. Okay. This is a bestseller and is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume while nourishing formula, moisturizes and promotes lash growth. $19.50. Your girl's always on a lookout for a mascara, so I'm keeping that one. Then we have a Kate Somerville product. Hydracate Recharging Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. I love this brand. I use her stuff all the time. Let's see. It is a micro... What? Inspired? I can't read today, you guys, which is, if you're not new to my channel, you guys already know. Sometimes I just can't read. Inspired by Kate's LA Clinic micro channeling treatment and ideal for anyone looking for revived, plump skin after a big week or late night out. It contains aquapore technology that mimics micro channeling to unlock water pathways, okay, that deliver faster, deeper, lasting hydration. $78 this retails for. And it's so funny because I just bought this on the Mega Drop Shop because my skin, you know, when I fight my acne, I got my dry patches. If I have a psoriasis / eczema flare, I get dry patches there. So I got this and hey, I mean, I'm keeping it. So, hey, all right. I keep on looking like I'm going to know the next item in the order of things. This was my choice item, another choice item on the Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter. Let's see, where are you on the paper? Iconic London, no. Truly Beauty, I'm sorry, Truly Beauty brand. This was a choice item. Immerse yourself in luxurious hydration and delicate aromas of feminine florals using this ultra nourishing body butter made with a blend of coconut and rose. This nourishing body butter will brighten, hydrate dull skin to give it a glowing, youthful appearance. I actually didn't even want this item because the other item that I wanted they didn't have, so this is going to be going in a giveaway. But if you guys know if this is any good, let me know because I'm always good. I'm always good. I'm always on the lookout for moisturizers and whatnot. I'm trying to see if it smells. I don't smell anything, but yeah, this is going to go in the giveaway drawer. Oh, before I put this in the this retails for $35. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm all over the place today because I'm so excited because we're going to be doing a giveaway soon. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, next item. Ooh, okay. Is the LYS Beauty Dual Brush, right? Complexion Brush Duo. It just says Duo. This effortlessly will buff liquid, cream, and powder products into the skin with a densely packed brushes that seem bristles. I thought would make more sense to say. That seamlessly distribute product and for an undetectable finish. Created with soft synthetic hair. These brushes maximize coverage, minimizing the amount of product needed for a finished result that you will love. Retails for $30. I actually am super excited to use this because I have their foundation, which I have yet to do a review on. And this will be great to go along with that video. So cool. Keep your eyes out for that. Ooh. Then the last item is, I don't know, a Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette. Okay. Let's see. Infinite Artistry awaits this limited edition curated quintet. I don't know. Of infinitely versatile hues, features 3 finishes: sculpt and smolder with a sublime silk matte, illuminate like an icon in a shimmering foil, sparkle without caution with memorizing metallics. This provocative palette delivers opulent opacity and a single stroke while building luxurious blended multi-dimensional color. Retails for $36, this little thing. I'm so curious to see. I don't have anything Pat McGrath Labs. Gosh, say that 10 times fast. So this is kind of cool. Oh, the little thing matches the little carton. That's very cute. And the colors are on the back. Okay, I'm hoping that there's at least 2. No, there isn't. There's only one matte. Oh, there's only one matte shade in here, and I have hooded eyes. So anything that's not matte, I typically will steer away from on my lid, unless it's like directly on the, like, the little itty bitty lid space that I do have. But it's a very pretty palette. I will be keeping this for sure. So we'll go ahead and do like a quick swatch just to see. Ooh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. And then we'll do, oh, that probably wasn't the smartest thing to do. But these are the shades swatched. Look how pretty that is. I will say they are super pretty. And if I can't use this palette as much as I'd like, I know my daughter will. But I definitely can see myself using this palette. The only thing is I would have to use another palette as like a transition, just because I don't wear very bold looks on the daily. So there's that. So I believe that was the last item in the box. Okay. Overall thoughts on the box, you guys. Let me tell you, I have to give it a 4 out of 5 stars. Only because of the mess up. And honestly, I'm not keeping 2 of the items, so that's really not that bad. So 4 out of 5 stars for this month's Luxe is pretty darn good in my eyes. So let me know what you guys think about this box. Like, I don't know. Are you nervous for next month? For the whole transition? I'm super nervous. I'm hoping that they keep these little cards in, but yeah, I don't know. All right, you guys, that wraps up this month's March spring themed Luxe box. Again, I don't know what happened. I was so excited in my last video. And this box didn't fail me. Like, I feel pretty satisfied with it. I feel like the value was definitely there. But man, oh my gosh, made me look like a fool and a half, you guys. I don't know. But anyway, if you guys haven't already, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I love reading them and I love responding to them as fast as I can. And if you have not already, stay in that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos anywhere. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, your neighbor, your friend, your mom, your uncle, your aunt, your sister, whatever. And hopefully I will catch you guys in my next video.